Welcome back, everybody. We got a pretty quick video here today. We're just going to be installing these seats that I pulled out of a 2002 Subaru Impreza 2.5 RS, I believe. Looks like that. It should be a direct bolt-in. I might sit up a little bit higher in the car, but it's going to have a lot more support, be a lot more comfortable than it is now, to be the very least. We're also going to try and fix my hood. As you can see right here, I don't have it quite bolted in well enough. One of the bolts got cross-threaded when I was trying to get it in there, so it doesn't quite sit properly and moves around a little bit. Not too big of a deal, but I'd like it to be in there properly. The only thing securing the hood to this car is just 4 bolts, as you can see on the brackets, but one of them did not fit quite right, so I'm attempting to loosen the bolts and retighten them to get it to fit properly. Next, to try to clean up these junkyard seats, we're going to take some upholstery cleaner that I picked up at AutoZone, spray it on the seats, scrub it in, and then take our spot cleaner, spray with water, and essentially suck the dirt out of the seats and the multiple years of farts and grime. Now, in an attempt to make these seats look as good as possible, I'm going to take some of the attention to detail, again, not sponsored, just like those guys, plastic cleaner, and we're going to take a brush that we used in the interior detailing video and try to scrub up all the plastics on the seats. That looks significantly better already. This was the dirtier of the two. So, this one's ready to go in the car after we clean up the rails a little bit. And we also need to do the same thing to this seat right here. In order to physically remove the seat, it's just 4 bolts, 1 on each corner. Unbolt them and the seat's good to come out. And then just reverse the process to get them back in. Might take a little working with it, but they will fit. Okay, seats are in. Took a little finagling. I think this front right bolt here is extremely cross-threaded, but that's going to be okay. It's in there, it's tight, and I don't plan on taking these out for a little while. They are very bolstery compared to the old ones, and it's significantly more comfortable. I do feel like I sit up a little bit more higher, but that's okay. I'm short, so I still fit. But they are very comfortable. They have a lot more adjustment. They are a direct bolt-in, takes a little finagling. The only thing that isn't a direct fit from the old seats is the plastic covers for the bolts in the rear, but like I said, it doesn't matter too much. Or I could just take them off the car that I took these out of. But, it's alright for now. Well, here we are 7 months later, and once again for the 30th time I've changed my appearance. But, like I said, short video, pretty simple install, made a world of a difference. Thank you for watching as always, and stay tuned. We should have some more exciting stuff coming up. I've got a phone call to make tomorrow about some potential car parts, but we'll see how that goes. We should be back to the regular upload schedule at this point. Yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.